English grammar. Learn about common noun. A common noun is a noun that names a general person, place, thing, idea, or event. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they come first in a sentence or are used as a title. For example, in the sentence, the dog chased the cat. The word dog is a common noun because it names a general type of animal, not a specific dog. Common nouns can be used in a variety of ways in a sentence. They can be the subject of the sentence, the object of the verb, the object of a preposition, or the subject of a prepositional phrase. For example, in the sentence, the dog chased the cat across the yard. The word dog is the subject of the sentence. The word cat is the object of the verb chased. And the word yard is the object of the preposition across. Common nouns can also be used in compound nouns. A compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more common nouns. For example, the word doghouse is a compound noun because it is made up of the common nouns dog and house. Here are some more examples of common nouns. Person, man, woman, child, adult, teacher, student. Place, city, country, state, street, park, school. Thing, book, pen, pencil, chair, table, computer. Idea, love, happiness, sadness, anger. Thought, knowledge.